To learn more about the Alabama Education Lab and receive notifications about stories and events, sign up for its newsletter, EdChat. Alabama officials encouraged all eligible state residents to get a COVID-19 vaccine as the contagious Delta variant spreads, with 9 children in the state currently hospitalized, according to the Alabama Hospital Association. The number isn't necessarily out of proportion with the total number of hospitalizations, officials said. According to AHA, 393 Alabamians are currently hospitalized. But one child is currently on a ventilator at Children's of Alabama in Birmingham, according to an official. The amount of hospitalizations statewide is up from about 250 last week, with the number of infections reported rising as well. Alabama hasn't seen this many COVID-19 hospitalizations reported since March. Read more. Alabama health officials encourage vaccines before school starts drive. David Kimberlin, co-director of the Division of Pediatric Infectious Diseases at UAB and Children's of Alabama, said Friday that he would, unequivocally, ask all eligible Alabamians, including children 12 years or older, to get vaccinated. The Delta variant doesn't appear to be more deadly than the initial strain of coronavirus, but is more contagious, according to health experts. We don't know as much as we need to know or as much as we're going to know about the Delta variant, Kimberlin said. At the current time, we don't have evidence that it infects children to a varying degree than it infects adults. At the current time, we don't know it to be behaving differently in children compared to adults. It's bad enough in adults and we're seeing the same kind of badness in children as well. While the Delta variant appears to respond less to vaccines than other strains, the vaccine is still effective at lessening the risk of severe illness and death, he said. Mississippi State Health Officer Dr. Thomas Dobbs tweeted Tuesday that there were 7 children in intensive care with COVID-19, 2 of them on ventilators. Coronavirus cases in the state have increased dramatically in recent days, Mississippi Today reported Tuesday. Kimberlin said he would ask children younger than 12 and anyone else unable to get a vaccine to wear a mask and continue social distancing. Federal officials have said vaccines should become available for younger children at the end of the year after clinical trials finish. Reporters Sarah Whites-Kodichik and Savannah Tryons Fernandez contributed to this story.